Hey everyone, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. Just want to do a manicure using some Kiss gel polish or gel-like polish, and this is an indie polish. I got this from PolishCon last year. This one is called The Future is Coming On. And we'll be doing a little bit of stamping. It's an Ejiubas plate. This is the plate number right here, and I might do some advanced stamping using that image. We'll see. So let's go ahead and get this started. So I've had this since, when was it, like September of last year, and I just started going through my stash. I really truly love this color. I think it's beautiful. I might just leave that alone or stamp over it, we'll see. But I definitely do want to put an image on probably the middle finger. All right, we're just gonna use some clear jelly stamping polish in black, and I'm gonna try to pick this up with my all-time favorite stamper, this one right here. All right, I'm going to be coloring that in, put a little bit of this fancy polish that I've got on right now, and we'll see how beautiful it looks. Sorry if I was out of frame. You want to let that completely dry before you try to apply it to the nail. I'm going to make another image like this probably and put it on my other hand. So like I said, I will let this dry, and before I apply it to the nail, what I'm going to end up doing is taking some of the foil glue. I'm going to apply it on top of this area, and then I'll transfer it over to the nail. I think that's a cleaner look. Alright, so here's that foil glue I was talking about. This seems to be dry. And I'm going to take this and just apply it all over the image so that it transfers easily onto my nail. This will dry up within a minute or two. So, alright, here we go. Okay, wish me luck. This feels like it's dry. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it onto my nail. There's liquid latex around to prevent all the polish from adhering onto the skin. Alright guys, whew. Here we go. Okay, perfect. Alright, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, top coat, and I will show you guys the finished design. Alright, so here's the finished design. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video, and take care. God bless. Bye!